Howdy, folks. I hope you can hear me clearly because I'm going to whisper in this video because I'm actually at someone else's house and there are people sleeping in the other room and I don't want to wake them up. So I'm kind of making this video in stealth mode. Um, so what I want to show you in this video is how to embed your Power BI tiles in your PowerPoint slides. And when we think about Power BI, we always think about like data people who are looking at things and they're making decisions. Well, sure, that's the purpose of it. But what if you want to present that information to a certain audience in the form of a PowerPoint deck? So this is how you include those Power BI tiles in your PowerPoint. So what you have to do is you have to actually include an add-on. You have to get an add-in called Power BI tiles from the app source. And the way you do it is you go into your insert menu option in PowerPoint and then you go into my add-ins. Okay, so I actually have it. I already have it, so that's why you see it here. But if you click my add-ins, it'll take you uh, to basically the app source, right? And then go to store, and in your store, search for Power BI, and this is what comes up. So once you add it, it shows up in your my add-ins right here. So from here, you can select it, say add, and now what this does is it connects to your Power BI and shows you a list of all of your dashboards that you have as well as reports. Okay, so from here I can say that I want to include charts or visualizations from this dashboard right here, Rights dashboard. Okay, and once I select it, it's going to display all the charts that I have right here on the slide. So my dashboard has two charts. One is this map visualization, and then there's another one that's a stack chart visualization. Okay, so all the charts that I have will now be displayed in this slide, and I can just go through them one by one by clicking these buttons. And I can also, so once I show it in presentation mode, so it looks just fine. It looks pretty good. And since this is all live data coming from Power BI, if I click on this chart and I move my mouse pointer around, it shows me details of each data point as well. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, I can cycle through all of my charts by clicking the next button. Anyway, yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you, to include your Power BI tiles in your PowerPoint. You go into insert my add-ins, look for the Power BI tiles add-in, and just display your analytics from Power BI in a PowerPoint slide. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.